This week for the case journey for the Pixel 8 Pro, we're taking a look at the good folks at Ringke. So they actually went ahead and reached out and sent your boy over some cases to take a look at. So you know we're going to go ahead and do so. So without further ado, this is Ringke Showcase for the Pixel 8 Pro. So taking a look at the box and presentation. Now, yours isn't quite gonna look like this. As you can see, a big review kit on the front of the box. So let me go ahead and take this off, and I'll just kind of fold this over on itself so it's not getting in our way. And then we'll go ahead and just lift this right here. If I could get it open. There we go. All right. So again, this is the review kit. Don't expect it if you buy a case to receive this. Let me take off this note. It says you're amazing. I'm gonna make sure that there's nothing personal on it. See, yeah, there's no personal information on this one. So this is what it says here. It says, hey, Ike, within this package are the cases and accessories. We got some accessories for your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Please let us know if you have any questions. And then Team Ringke and a bunch of their social info. So definitely go and give those fellas a follow if you like all things Ringke. But let's go ahead and get into this package, man. So looks like everything is kind of fastened to this paper, so I'm gonna just toss the review kit over to the side here and let's take a look. So like a kid on Christmas, we're just gonna go all in on this bad boy. So they did include it, and I'm really happy that they did, the Fusion Clear. The Fusion Clear was my favorite case for the Pixel 7 Pro last year, man. It was a nice, slim, minimal clear case, and it actually didn't yellow for quite some time. I think I still have a Pixel 7 Pro version, and while it is starting to yellow now a year later, it took significantly longer for it to do so. So definitely dope and excited to have this in the packaging, man, to test out. And then you can also see we got the Ringke Onyx for the Pixel 8 Pro. And this one I really dig because the texture on it kind of reminds me of the Kadabi sheath. Anyone who's ever watched any of my case videos knows how much I love the Kadabi sheath case. So this case actually reminds me of it. And then they also got the tempered glass screen protector that comes with the guide tool as well. Here's some more information about it. So I'll kind of just drop that there. Y'all can freeze frame. Here's the back. You can kind of freeze frame that if you need to, but I'm going to put the tempered glass off to the side just because I already have one applied on my Pixel 8 Pro, so I don't need to take that one off to apply another one. So we'll save this one, but let me wrap this and put it back over here. Let's go ahead and get into the Onyx first, man. Let's get into the Onyx first. So I'm just going to rip this right off here and pop it out. So you always get these nice little 20% off. They give you like a little coupon code that you can use for any other accessory. So take advantage of that if you see fit. Kind of lay out what some of their other accessories look like and what they offer. Looking pretty dope there on the back, especially that bezel, man. That bezel on the Watch 5 Pro, I still need to get me one of those, but definitely dope. So let me throw this off to the side. All right. Oh, case is right here. So inside we got some silicone going on here. Sides have a nice texturized grip. I'm gonna try to see if I can get that for y'all. Yeah, got like a little bit of texturized grip there on the sides. Buttons look nice and ready to go. Some more texture on the side. Port looks to be cut open quite a bit for those wider cables. Speaker grills look on point too. So let's go ahead and drop the Pixel 8 Pro in. Boom, nice easy snap. And definitely like the vibe of this case. Now let me get a little fit test going on here. So a teeny bit of give where your buttons are, which is totally normal for, you know, all cases. It typically gives you a little bit more flex wherever your buttons are, but this one, other than that, is fitting extremely well. I also like what Ringke does as far as the curvature. So I'm going to try to see if I can get this on cam for y'all. But you can see like it's almost like a little wedge. With the case. It doesn't quite sit at this highest point. It's like a little wedge, so it kind of goes in like an incline, like if you're looking at it like that. So I really like how Ringke does that. I don't think that they did that on the Onyx series last year, but it's good to see that it is here now. Let me go ahead and try the buttons. You can see my aunt just text me, happy birthday, I love you. So I'll text her back here in a little bit. But yes, today, October 16th, if you're still watching this, is my birthday. So if, you know, you're checking me out or whatever, go ahead, shoot some birthday, well wishes in the comment section below. But yeah, it is my birthday today. But getting back to the case, which is why you all are here. Yeah, looking pretty dope. Nice, great grip on it. And again, that texture on the back really reminds me of what you see from the Kadabi sheath, and I like that. Now, I would say that the Kadabi version is a little bit more like grippy, but this is really, really solid. Like, this is an awesome, awesome case, and the side grip is super good too. So let's test out them buttons. See, I'm pressing that. Buttons nice and tactile. Volume buttons feel really good. Let me double click for camera. Gestures are looking pretty good as well. That's a swipe up. So looking pretty good, man. Let me swipe that away. But getting right in. Let me go into Spotify and I'll swipe out. Swipe out on that side. Oh, I'm going too high. But Spotify, it's your swipe down gesture, swipe home gesture, and then yep. So all gestures are going to be awesome in A1 on this particular case, man. So let me go ahead and throw this bad boy on do not disturb, so we're not being disturbed anymore. All right, but let's go ahead and get into the next case, which is the Fusion Clear. Again, my favorite case for the Pixel 7 Pro. Favorite case for the Pixel 7 Pro. Just gonna rip that right off. Trying to pull this out without pulling out the other stuff. Throw it to the side. You see you got your protector on that side and protector on the inside. So I love the sound of that. Let me go ahead and throw the phone in this way. Ooh, I like that snap. Typically that means you got a nice tight fit. Let me pull off the back one and boom, there you have it. You got your Ringke Fusion Clear. And man, this thing is slim. Feels so good. Got that nice clear back. Got your front, and you got that same wedge design that I talked about with the Onyx. I think it showed up on the Fusion Clear first because that's where I remember it from. And like I said, really, really dope. So as far as the gestures, it's all going to be the same as the Ringke Onyx because, again, they're made by the same company. So nothing wrong with gesture support. Got nice wide open port cutout on this end too. And like I said, clear case, super dope. My Pixel 7 Pro version, took forever to yellow. And all honesty, I would still rock that today, if I needed to. So yeah, really, really love what the folks over at Ringke bring to the table, man. This is a really dope, dope case. I'm happy that they bought this back for the 8 Pro, but got a little bit of Ringke branding here that I'm just noticing. I'll try to see if I can get that for y'all, but little bit of Ringke branding right there. But overall, super strong showing for the Pixel 8 Pro from the good folks at Ringke. So definitely go and give them some love. I will make sure that I drop all the information for them in the description. That way, if you, like I said, want to go take advantage of that 20% off, you can, or whatever the case may be. But as always, thank y'all so much for the love and the support. This is Ike's Tech Talk. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.